Hi and welcome back to my channel and this happy world. In today's tutorial I am going to share how to make this abstract father and child sculpture. For this sculpture we will be using newspapers and the paper clay. The recipe of paper clay I have already shared in my previous video. You can find the recipe link in the description box below. And don't miss to watch the tutorial until the end. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Tap on the bell icon and click on all so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like button. Let's start the tutorial. Take a newspaper, apply some glue like this, and with the help of a skewer, make a paper tube. So place the skewer on the paper at one corner and then keep rolling it like this to form a paper tube, and stick the end and remove the skewer. We need to make about 8 paper tubes like this. Now we will make the upper body. For that we need one more newspaper. Apply some glue. Now fold it like this. And again make the folds in the form of a rectangle and trim the excess as per the required size. This will form the upper body of the sculpture. Apply glue and stick all the folds properly, just keeping one fold open to attach the hands. Now take 2 tubes and cut them like this. Now we will glue them one on each side like this, and now again seal it. Here I am using glue gun, you can also use normal glue. Now the upper body is ready with the hands attached. Now we will make the head. For that take some newspaper pieces, just fold them as a ball until you get the desired size like this, and the head will be ready. Make a hole in the head and also on the upper body. We will now attach these both. Here I will be using a metal wire. Using glue gun I will stick one end of this wire into the head, and then again another end I will keep in the upper body to attach the head like this. Trim the extra length of the hands so that both are in the same length. To add some thickness to the body, we will attach 2 rectangle pieces, one in the front and one in the back of the upper body like this. So we will make legs. For that we will take 3 paper tubes for each leg, fold at 1 inch at the bottom to make the foot, and mark the height of the legs and then cut the paper tubes. So repeat the same for the other leg as well. Now glue these paper tubes, 2 on the sides and 1 on the top. Repeat the same for the other leg as well. Now we will glue the legs to the body. Using scissors I am shaping the feet so that both of them appear in the same shape. This is the paper clay. The recipe I shared in my previous video. For the link you can check the description box below. Using a brush, apply glue all over the body. Now take the clay, flatten it and stick it. Use water if required, but make sure you don't use too much of water. Keep shaping and covering the body. Repeat the same process on the back side. Apply glue and cover it with clay. Using water to shape. Now let's cover the legs. Use water as required while shaping, and here I am using toothpick to shape If you have clay tools, you can also use. Also cover the back side. First apply glue on the base, then stick the clay all over, and using water you can shape. Also take the help of the toothpick if required, and cover both the legs in the same way. Here I am adding some more clay on the top. Also cover the other leg in the same way. Now let's make the foot. For that, take some clay, cover it like this. Also cover the bottom. Using water you can shape it. Using toothpick I am shaping it. Also do the same with the other leg. Here I have added some lines on the shed for the texture. Now I will cover the head. Take some clay and cover the head. Here we are not making any facial features as it is an abstract. Also cover the neck. Remove the excess clay. Now we will add the hair part. Using toothpick I will make the hair impressions. So here is the finished hair and the face. Now we will cover the hands. For that, first we need to apply glue on the hands and then place the clay, and using water we will keep shaping it until we are happy with the shape of the hands. Here I have added some more clay to get the shape of the hand, and using water I am giving it the shape. Now I will shape the hand. For that, add a piece of clay and using toothpick I will give the shape of the thumb. In the same process, make the other hand as well. Here the other hand is also ready. Now the hand should be semi-dry. In the same method, make the child sculpture. I have already made the child sculpture keeping one hand closed as if it is holding something, and another hand I kept flat so that I can join both of these hands of the father and the child. Now we will attach them. I have taken a wooden base to stick the figurines. Using hot glue gun, I am gluing them onto the base. First attach the figurines on the base, and then we will also glue the hands, and we will let them completely dry, and then we will paint over them. While our sculptures will be drying, here I have decided to make a message board using the string art. For that I have taken a piece of wire and covering it with the masking tape. Wrap the entire string using the masking tape like so. Now bend it in the shape of a balloon. Seal the ends using masking tape. Now I'll glue a paper to write the message. You can either use newspaper or a normal white paper or color paper or a designer paper and write your message. I wrote "My Dad, My Hero" and added some dots. Now the base is dry. Paint it using black acrylic color. Highlighting using metallic silver using dry brush technique. Here I'll be highlighting only the figurines. The base will remain black. Once the highlighting is done, apply varnish to make it waterproof and dust free. Attach the message balloon which we have made to the child figurine, and it's ready. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family so that the video reaches more number of viewers. And if you have any questions or queries or feedback, do leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer your queries. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.